What's up, YouTube fam? Alright, so this video is going to be about me doing my bun, my signature bun that I always do, and to slick my edges, because this is like a really highly requested video. A lot of people have been asking me like, how do I do it? It's simple to me, but it's not simple to most people. So I just want to show you guys how I do it, and it's really quick. I think this video, I did it in like maybe 5 minutes max. Alright, so stay tuned if you guys like my bun, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the video. Alright, so I started off with like damp hair. I kind of let my hair dry a little bit before I started. Well, yeah, I wet it and put like conditioner in the shower. I pretty much do that like every other day, or because I wear buns and stuff a lot. So when I wear my hair out, of course I let it sit for maybe like 3 days, 3, 4, 5 days. But my hair is always very thirsty, so I always gotta like keep moistening it up. So I have it like this. It's like 80% dry. No, less than that. It's about 60, 65, 70% dry right now. And I make sure I keep it damp. And then I go and I put, well, today I'm going to be using this Lotta Body. I use this on my clients. I never really use this on me, so I'm going to try it right now. The Lotta Body Moisture Me Curl Styling Milk. This is like, it makes wonders on my clients. I was like, you know what? Let me try some. So I'm about to try it. I'm just putting it really on my ends and like throughout my hair, because it's gonna be a bun, so I'm not really too worried about having my curl pattern. I just want the moisture to be there. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. And I realized like it's been a while since in my videos since I've actually talked to y'all like in the video instead of doing like a voiceover. So I'm like, let me start back doing those, because I like voiceovers. I like talking to y'all. I don't want it to feel too like stickler, in my videos. I want it to be as engaging as possible. So I'm just going to start engaging with y'all more. Alright, so then I have a part right here, but that I kind of created that as a natural part, because I always have middle parts and stuff with my styles. So I just brush it all back. Brush all my hair back. And you guys see I'm starting to break out a little bit. It's that time of the month. Ugh, so annoying. And then I just brush it up. It's really simple, but actually I'm not going to say that, because for most people it's really not simple. If you really don't genuinely do your hair, or you don't know how to do your hair, it's not simple. And this is pretty much a highly requested video. Like, a lot of people been asking me like, how you do your buns, how you do your buns? So I'm going to be showing y'all now. Just brush it up like this. Just kind of give it some shape a little bit. You see it's not too much definition. Ooh, not too much definition, but it's still moist. And then get my, Holy Grail Eco Style. I like the olive oil one more, but I've had this for so long. It's a huge bottle, so. And I just go like that. Or what I usually do sometimes is I dip this in my brush to distribute it better. And I just go like that. I feel like it distributes it a lot better. And then I put it on the back. Make sure it's real nice and neat, because the top is not about to be neat at all. So if you want to look polished and still have that kind of wild look, you make sure you brush it out real good. Alright, just like that. And I bring mine up pretty high. And then I go like that to kind of bring all of it up to the top. Especially if you have thick hair, you're going to have problems with this. Just to flatten the back out. Kind of just go like that. Boom shakalaka. And I get this big old headband that I use as a scrunchie, and I just fold it 3 times. 2, 3. Just like that. And then I wrap it around once, and then I literally just do it just like that. And then I just kind of let them fall wherever they want to and wrap it around. Just like that. And then for my edges, don't tell me I didn't bring my toothbrush. God. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so then I kind of just brush these all to the front. Just like this. This to start as my blueprint. I always talk about a dang blueprint. And then up. And like this video if you guys want a more detailed edge tutorial or edge video, because I had one. I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. If y'all, because I had one where my hair was down, but I didn't do one where my hair was up. But like this video if y'all want one with my hair being up in a bun like this, and I'll make it more detailed for y'all. And then I just do the other side, just like this. And another edge control, it's an edge control that I really like. I don't like him. Somebody in the back trying to mess me up, y'all, trying to make me not professional. But I ain't gonna let it slide. I ain't gonna let it slide. But anyways, I don't like you. Why you match my backdrop? Look, y'all, he matched my backdrop. But anyways, yeah, it's another edge control that I use on my clients a lot. It's, I don't even know. I'm gonna put it down in the description box, or if I find it by the time now, I'll put it somewhere like down here or down here or something, so that y'all can know, because I don't know the name of it right now. But it's in a white bottle and it's like really, really good. I usually use it on my box spray clients. It's bomb, like bomb. All right, so this here is the final result. It's really fast, really quick, and it's kind of simple, but I'm not gonna say that because a lot of people that's been telling me that they don't know how to do them like at all, so I'm not even gonna say that it's simple. It's simple once you start learning how to do it. All right, so this is the final result. If you guys like this video, go ahead, or if you guys like this bun, like my edges, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.